So today Drew's doing some work on this Focus RS.
Nice car.
Yeah, it's got some nice bits on it. It's got some Mountune springs, Summit strut brace for the rear. It's got a nice exhaust system on it as well. I don't know what brand that is. It wouldn't go into circuit mode, and it turned out the lad that owns it, he fitted the springs himself. When he put the front strut brace back on, he crushed the wire. So we snipped the wire, made it a bit shorter, soldered it and heat shrunk it together. That sorted that issue out. Full of Mountune. On this, we've got to do, oh look.
This is not going to be fun, Bert.
What are you going to do on this?
Downpipe.
Yeah, the downpipe's going to be fun, Bert.
I think you have to put the subframe on.
Yeah, I think you do have to drop it. Did you quote him for it?
I think so. I hope not.
Could you double check?
Yeah.
Because I reckon that's probably 2-3 hours work.
At least.
So I'm going to show you the bits that we've got to put on this vehicle. Oh, there's a new exhaust bracket right there. Ooh, that's nice. This is like an adapter, and this is the downpipe. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice downpipe. Oh my God, this bloke spent some dough. Accessories box. We'll just have a look in a minute and see what's in there. Is that one done? Dusted? What have we got in this box? Oh, some more Summit stuff. Oh, lower braces. Look at that. There's another lower brace there as well. Oh, he's even got a tow eye. Bert. So Bert.
Yeah.
Have you figured out now from watching enough YouTube videos how you're going to do this?
Kind of. I've watched one and a bit.
Right, okay.
So regardless what we end up doing, if we ended up dropping the subframe or not, which I don't think we have to do,
Right.
we have to set this section off. Luckily, it's very nicely V-banded.
Nice.
V-band here and V-band just back here.
Okay.
So we can take this,
well, you can take it off here, can't you?
Yeah, but I thought it would be easier here because it's a V-band. That's not a V-band. That goes into another thing, and then you have to try and push it back. And
It's not a V-band, Bert.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's a clamp. No, it's a clamp, Bert.
Well, we've got to try and pull it out somewhere.
Do you want me to tell you what to do?
What?
Let me just tell you this one thing. You want to take this off, undo this, and slide this off. You can drop that down and slide it off. You just saw that,
Yeah,
yeah?
we need to get this off anyway. Yes.
Right.
Then we need to see how we do it.
What, you didn't actually watch all the
We've
video?
got to take all the airbox out to get to the top valves.
Oh, but you don't have to drop the subframe?
No, not I've seen so far.
Oh, good. That's okay then. It shouldn't take long then.
Well, what they've done is, they've done it on the floor, most people have seen it. They take all the airbox out to get to the turbo bolts, and then undo the bolts, undo the sensors.
Then if that's what you've got to do, that's what you've got to do.
Are you going to help me?
No, I'm going to take the blow-off valve off of this Skyline
Amazing.
and swap it with his mate's one because that's what they
In
wanted.
25 minutes, then you can come give me a hand. Then,
Yeah, and then I'm going to wash the Scott R33,
Right.
and then
You're going to help me do this?
I'm gonna start
I'll do it
wiring
then,
up
man.
Juan Pedro's car.
No problem.
Juan Pedro.
Sounds
No, I'll
like a
come
good
give you a
idea.
hand. I'll come give you a hand.
That's all right. It's probably best we don't work together today.
Why?
Because you're a bit off.
Because I'm a moany bastard today.
Yeah.
I'm always a moany bastard. This is what you make me, Bertie.
Where's the 13 gone, Bert?
Bye, Bert. Well done, Bertie. You got it off, mate. Mountune? Is that Mountune? Oh, look at that. That's a nice bit of
Is that a cat?
handmade. Yeah, it should be a 200 cell, I think.
Oh, what the fuck's the point of that? Well, seeing how it comes on and off,
Yeah.
I would put one on too.
Let's have a look.
There's a lot of point to that though.
Yeah.
I thought it was a decap.
No.
Cool, that was expensive.
I don't know.
But that was over £1,000.
You might want to put the sensors in first, I think.
Of course. Not Egypt.
Yeah, well, we've got proper sockets for those. Look at the old one compared to the new one, then.
Let's have a little
I bet it sounds amazing.
Grammy pick there.
No heat shield.
3 inch?
Yeah, 3
Oh
inch.
yeah, no V-band. Okay, so I have to put Alright, I just slipped
Oh,
on
oh
there.
no. In there, there's a converter here for it.
Alright, so yeah, the bit we just... Okay.
So the bit this end,
Yeah, there's one on there, wasn't there?
yeah, look, there's a V-band that end. This bit goes on there. Do your yes again.
Yes!
Sick for this new mount as well, Bert, that goes on here.
Oh, nice. Look at that. So you get, when you pay the money...
You get
look at
decent
that.
stuff.
AirTech.
Yeah.
You pay the money, you get the honey.
Pay the money, get the honey.
Money, get the honey.
But you got them sweaty titties again.
Hello. Look, I cut my finger. Got a boo-boo.
Oh no. Why have you got your wedding ring on while working on cars?
Let's never do that, everybody.
You fucking penis. You look like a Hitachi ninja, mate.
Right, so where are we? Well, downpipes in position.
Yes.
Right, we've got the two little on the clamp, on the bracket. One bolt's in the top.
Show us.
One bolt's in the
Show
top.
us. Let's
Come
have a
this
look.
way. There it is. Shiny.
Hold
That's
on.
it. Can't see anything.
It's right
Yes.
there.
Top bolt's in. And
Yeah.
now you're going to help me put the bottom one in because I'm going to go underneath the car lift it up a bit, and you're hopefully going to locate the second one.
Oh, for fuck's sake. So about an hour or so after getting around, we've rounded off nuts up there, which is amazing. We fitted this on the front, and we just fitted this on the back. These are based, by the way, you need mole grips to put on the lower arm to spin it, and like a screwdriver to put in here to put pressure there on. Nightmare. Now all we need to do is tighten all this up here and here, and then this one, and then this one here as well. And then I think we can put the top together.
I'm so pleased that's done.
Yeah. High five with the converter. Yeah, boy.
Fuck you know.
Nice. Right, you're going to start it up. Oh, look at the state of this place. You're going to start her up then, Bertie? Oh, wash your hands. I need to wash mine too, actually. Oh, Bertie. It's very tight. Oh, good man. You remembered to put a seat cover on it.
Can you hold watch the door a second?
Yeah, I can see it. Plenty of room. Right, we're going to listen.
Can you do me a video with my phone as well, whilst you're holding that?
Yes. Where is your phone?
Oh, wait, here.
Here.
Just so I can send him a little,
Oh, no problem.
cold start, you know?
Yeah. So we're going to record a recording of doing a recording. Oh, it's a bit noisier. Let it warm up, Bertie, and then we'll do another video.
Doesn't make any noise, is it?
Yeah, we'll do when it's warm.
I'll let it warm up a bit, but